Welcome to class addition and number block. Today, start the lesson now. 16,
I go to plus,
12,
I go to equal,
28, 5,
I go to plus,
7,
I go to equal,
12, 4,
I go to plus,
12,
I go to equal,
16, 1,
I go to plus,
3,
I go to equal,
4, 4,
I go to plus,
2,
I go to equal,
6, 4,
I go to plus,
3,
I go to equal,
7, 11,
I go to plus,
4,
I go to equal,
15, 5,
I go to plus,
19,
I go to equal,
24, 13,
I go to plus,
19,
I go to equal,
32, 16,
I go to plus,
2,
I go to equal,
18, 20,
I go to plus,
16,
I go to equal,
36, 7,
I go to plus,
1,
I go to equal,
8, 11,
I go to plus,
13,
I go to equal,
24, 3,
I go to plus,
15,
I go to equal,
18, 4,
I go to plus,
13,
I go to equal,
17, 10,
I go to plus,
4,
I go to equal,
14, 8,
I go to plus,
1,
I go to equal,
9, 5,
I go to plus,
14,
I go to equal,
19, 19,
I go to plus,
13,
I go to equal,
32. Wow, it had yellow color. It look very cool. 6,
I go to plus,
10,
I go to equal,
16, 15,
I go to plus,
10,
I go to equal,
25, 10,
I go to plus.
11,
I go to equal.
21, 14,
I go to plus.
2,
I go to equal.
16, 2,
I go to plus.
5,
I go to equal.
7, 11,
I go to plus.
3,
I go to equal.
14, 17,
I go to plus.
7,
I go to equal.
24, 8,
I go to plus.
4,
I go to equal.
12, 20,
I go to plus.
12,
I go to equal.
32, 18,
I go to plus.
10,
I go to equal.
28, 20,
I go to plus.
2,
I go to equal.
22, 12,
I go to plus.
18,
I go to equal.
30, 15,
I go to plus.
12,
I go to equal.
27, 15,
I go to plus.
12,
I go to equal.
27, again, 9,
I go to plus.
18,
I go to equal.
27, whoa, 7,
I go to plus.
6,
I go to equal.
13, 16,
I go to plus.
7,
I go to equal.
23. Now the lesson in the end. See you again in the next lesson. Goodbye.